Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light in Nissan Qashqai 2013. We are going to use this little button here. So we start with ignition on, and then you press this button a couple of times until you see settings. Then you once again so again settings, and now spin it to maintenance. And you don't want to press it once, because when you press it once you don't have reset option. So what you do, you have to press and hold this button, and now you've got reset option. So now you just press it once, confirm, and it's all done. Thank you. Bye.